Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do a speed test with the Poco F2 Pro with Mint Mobile and Cricket Wireless. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Poco F2 Pro. As you guys already know, this does not have all the bands for the US, but it does have LTE. Let me do a speed test with the Wi-Fi currently in at the studio. So let's see exactly how much we get as far as Wi-Fi. This is just a little bit of an example of the speeds that we get over Wi-Fi. Right? So this is pretty normal of the speeds I get. It should be over a little bit. Should be faster with the uploads, as you saw right there. I am using Mint Mobile on the device right now, so let's turn off the Wi-Fi. And if you guys didn't know, Mint Mobile runs on T-Mobile, so that's the reason why you see the signal spy saying that it's under T-Mobile LTE. Alright, so let's do a speed test under T-Mobile. Well, Mint Mobile / T-Mobile. Alright, let's go back. Let's see, I do have mostly all bars. There's one bar that's not there, so let's just do it. See how fast it goes. Alright, so this is just about normal when you have like a prepaid carrier, but there's some times where I could get like 100. Like when I was in Vegas, I got over 100 one time. So, all right. So we have 12 megabits per second on the download and 16.1 megabits per second on the upload. So let's try that one more time. I am in the same spot, but let's try it one more time. All right. Let's see if it gets a little faster. It looks like it speeds up. It passed 20 for just a second. Alright. Can I get to 23? Oh, stop right there. So I ended up at 20. But now the upload looks like it's less. But it's slowly creeping up. Remember guys, this is on Mint Mobile. This is owned by Deadpool. Literally. Alright, so this is Mint Mobile. Let me switch out the SIM cards and let's go with Cricket Wireless that runs on the AT&T network. I'll be right back. Alright guys, now we are back with Cricket Wireless SIM card installed. Just to show you guys exactly what it is. It runs on the AT&T network. Now, just keep in mind guys, you guys probably won't get the same speeds as me because you don't live exactly where I am, so it's really up to what you could get at your spot where you're standing at, or say how close you are to the towers and how your reception is with AT&T and with T-Mobile. Now, as far as Verizon, I do have a Verizon SIM card, but it's not active, so it will make no sense at all to even do it. So let's get back into the speed test when it comes to Cricket Wireless. Let's just go back into speed test. Alright, so we're all hooked up with Cricket Wireless running under the AT&T wireless tower. Let's see how it performs. It looks like it's doing great out the gate, then just slowly dropping. Just keep in mind guys, this all depends on your coverage in your area. So if you have bad coverage with AT&T, and you're probably not going to get that great, and this doesn't have all the bands. There's another thing you have to remember, but it does say LTE right up top there. So in my area, it's looking like I'm getting more speeds when it comes to T-Mobile towers. It looks like the speeds are pretty bad, you could say, when it comes to AT&T. They were a little bit decent when it came to Mint Mobile. I was definitely getting about 20 down, 12 up, which is okay. It's not the best in the world. I think that Forbes was getting, Forbes Tech Review, another YouTube reviewer, he was getting about 30 down, I believe. But as far as my experience with Cricket Wireless in my area, doesn't look like it's that great. It's about 3.23 and 7 upload. So this all depends on the coverage in your area and what band is it using. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Poco F2 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.